Menteri Kesaukar Pedeng Ujutira Aditya M. Sindhya lengbak video conferencing hakse balang jong katayo ula Plie Jaka 100th Next Generation NGen Post Office hak Skulbah Northeastern Hill University NEHU Shillong.
Yakni ke NGen Post Office kepada kebelapan wandor nak bentak ki samla Pule nak bobok ki kor ki bor ke bakat kum kejuk ke pemerintah ke jeng ai ya ke wifi ke jeng siu pisah leng bakat kor digital bagi jeng ai jeng cakri nak bentak ki samla Pule bekno hikai lapan wandor yakni ke Post Office kum si benta ban pen iya ke jeng dan nam ke Shillong kum ke Rock Capital of India hak balabo ru ke jeng tem bagi jeng senai ke lan nok senyang dek samla Pule yakni ke office terekam lapan wandor ru hakaba kajing peniat Jaka kendai deki kentai badan boru gitiar pitar bat kimar penrai kebelasna kerpan yakni ke Jaka terekam lasna hak takador bakan long kum ka office terekam baru ke Jaka ke bagi samla kin la mena Shongkai paramaki kani ke deki senjam jong kajing ijingai jong India Post ban pen kelador ki office kiba rim sya ke batamai bat ke baki imbiang rengkat ke jingelam daki kor kibor ke juk pemerintah bat ke Jaka ke ban snow tenat ban pendengkam.
So I am the SPM of NEHU SO and I'll give you a tour of my post office. So basically the theme of our post office is musical because Shillong is known as the rock capital. So when we move this corner, these are the suggestions given by the students and these are their work. Thank you so much. So as we see this painting is based on a campus. It signifies whatever is present in our campus and it has been done by the students itself. Okay, so when we move past the counter, this is the first look up where the counter has been done with the bamboo and the greenery and the musical thing, which signifies what represents Shillong. Then this is my stamp counter. And this corner signifies a cafe-like vibe. This is a sitting place where the students can hang out. Each and every corner of this post office has been done by the students of this university itself.
Job and all my young friends present at welcome and congratulations as we celebrate today the 100th NGen Post Office of India Post dedicated to the Northeastern Hill University in Shillong and a reaffirmation of the slogan of India Post, a organization that has been at the service of our country, men and women, as it redefines itself from a century-old traditional service network into a future-ready service network for 140 crore citizens. And therefore, India Post's responsibility is not only of that of a government institution, but really an institution that connects with you, both emotionally as well as socially. With our first NGen post office at IIT Hauska, Delhi. And look at the journey that we've traveled on in less than a period of 6 months. In 6 months, we've gone from our first NGen post office in the nation's capital, in the Temple of Learning of IIT Hauska, to the 100th NGen post office, which is now situated at the Northeast Hill University in Shillong. And therefore, jo kaha jata hai, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from Bharuch to Shillong to Tawang, that is the breadth that we want to take this proposition of our NGen post offices as well. So, a round of applause to my students for the amazing job they have done. I hope that this post office brings not only service but happiness and joy and a lot of love to all my young friends actually.
Thank you very much, sir. It was a pleasure working in this post office along with the students. So after passing my college, it's the first time we're interacting with so many students and they really loved it. And it's a pleasure to hear it from you, sir.
Actually, when you're there, you're still a student.
Sure, sir.
And you look like a student also.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, now we have with us these students. So now we can have beginner interaction, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir.
Good afternoon to all the dignitaries. My name is Aditya Chakravarti. I am from 4th year Architecture Department, NEHU. As a current generation, like what we see, the post office is like much of a boring place for us. But till now, it's not, because me and my friends have seen this place personally, like close, because we were doing with the work and the paintings and all. So now we feel like this place gives more energy to us and to participate in this place. So this place is not just now a part of posting letters or documents, but more of a change, legacy which can be carried forward to the future generations. Thank you.
I am Shantika Nandi, and I am also a student of 4th year from Department of Architecture. And it's such a honor to be a part of such the 100th engine post office here. And with all of my other classmates, Aditya, Dikshita, Pratiksha, Zainab, and all the other people who have helped us make this design come to life, with obviously ma'am, was next level thing for us, and to get experience into it of the real world design and application. So really had a good time here, sir.
My name is Zainab. I'm a NEHU student. First of all, I would like to forward my gratitude to you and everybody who gave us this opportunity. And we have worked on this post office since like a few weeks now, and it feels really great to incorporate everything that we have intervened for the post office and all the designs that we thought about for the seatings, the paintings. And personally speaking, this place feels more welcoming. So I actually proposed a seating near the tree that is just behind the post office, that I wanted it to be like a reading space for everybody. And we have got some books here, and it actually has become a place where we can just sit and enjoy our time. So this place, yeah, the paintings as well, and this place.
Are you and your friends gonna come and hang here?
Yes, sir, we would love to. This place like feels more welcoming now. Everything feels like really. We are really excited to come and spend more time here.
Hello, sir. Very good morning to all. We are very glad to attend this ceremony today. So I am a first year student from Department of Architecture. So for me, it was such a boring building when I entered to this university first. But after this renovation, it's so eye-catchy, and it's really giving us the opportunity to learn something about saving and even exploring the benefits of post office that we were never get the opportunity to learn before. So thank you so much for this opportunity. Thanks to our seniors who created this space. Thanks to all. Thank you so much.
Okay, so the post office space is open to you guys to do what you like in the evening. As long as it's nice, good music and getting people together, and let this be a hangout place for you guys.